I'm going to be showing you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So it's pretty straightforward, so let's get through this step by step. So the first thing you need to do is open Facebook Marketplace. So make sure you're on Facebook first. So once you're here, you should see something like this. Now what you need to do is look at the bottom where you have multiple options like videos, friend requests, and finally you have this house-like option. So that's the marketplace. Just go ahead and tap here. And once you do, you can find all sorts of listings here. So right there at the top, you have options like sell, explore, local, and more. Since you're trying to sell on Facebook Marketplace, just go ahead and tap here. And then immediately you have this option that says create a listing. Just go ahead and tap here again. And then you need to choose what you want to sell. So if it's an item, then tap on one item. If it's a vehicle, property, or sale event, I'm just going to tap on one item. And once you do, you just need to tap on add photos to add photos of your item. And then just enter the title. So let's say you're selling a watch, and then make sure you add the price as well. So I'm going to sell it for 2,000, and in category you need to select one. I'm just going to tap on jewelry and accessories, and just make sure you enter the condition as well, whether if it's new or if it's used or it's good. I'm going to tap on the second option, and then you can add a description as well, but it's optional. It'll help you sell better if you add one, so make sure you're thorough with that. And then you have the option to auto reply to availability messages. If you want that, then just toggle it on, but if not, then you can do it as well. If you want to hide it from your friends, you have that option as well. And once you've done that, right there at the top you have publish. So after you tap on publish, you'll successfully be able to publish your listing. And then if someone likes your item, then they can just contact you, and that's how you sell on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.